Could Avalanche make me rich? Assuming that I put resources into Avalanche today, what amount will I have in the following 5 to 10 years? All things considered, taking into account how well both the crypto business and individual tokens like Avax are supposed to perform well in the following couple of years, you will be right to say that Avalanche can for sure make you rich. As a matter of fact, the Ethereum executioner has proactively begun making its financial backers rich, seeing that anybody who put resources into Avax during its ICO has had their capital valued by over 18,000% in under 2 years. Right now, most of examiners and financial backers accept that Avalanche is in cost disclosure mode and will assuredly continue improving for the following couple of years. Consequently, assuming you put resources into Avalanche token today and hold, current estimates and market feelings demonstrate that you will be more extravagant in the following 5 to 10 when its per token valuation takes off to remarkable levels. The idealism about Avalanche becoming showbiz royalty later on and transforming retail financial backers into moguls is conceived out of enthusiasm for its progressive innovation, an improving crypto market, and developing reception acknowledgement of blockchain innovation all around the world. Be that as it may, exactly the way in which high will Avalanche token cost arrive at in the following 5 or 10 years. Critically, how might you bring in cash putting resources into Avalanche tokens? Could I at any point make money investing in Avalanche Avax? Indeed, odds are high that every one of Avalanche token's ongoing financial backers will bring in cash putting resources into the altcoin as its worth floods over the course of the following couple of years. Key investigators are certain that as blockchain innovation goes standard and industry players value Avalanche's inventiveness, the interest and use cases for Avax tokens will shoot, taking up with it the symbolic costs. Specialized experts, then again, accept that Avax will keep expanding on the upswing energy made all through 2021, involving it as the base on which the altcoin costs can launch to fresher levels. Some are sure that it could revitalize up and take Avax's cost, and each drawn-out financial backer's capital up 50x by the turn of the 10 years. Will Avalanche Avax eventually reach $1,000? Indeed, most of crypto specialists and Avalanche financial backers are certain that Avax costs will ultimately reach $1,000. As a matter of fact, when Avalanche set out on its most stunning cost run at this point in November 2021, that took it to its ongoing ATH of $146, the greater part of the forecasters anticipated that it should break above $1,000 toward the finish of 2022 in the event that it supported the upturn. 2 months after this cost record, bears have assumed control over the market, setting off an auction that has since pushed Avax costs 42% beneath their pinnacle cost. Today, most can see Avax bouncing back and getting to $1,000 in the following 5 years, and a couple anticipate that it should hit this target cost before 2025. Indeed, in light of the fact that at its ongoing value, Avalanche will just have to develop by around 1,100%, which is absolutely feasible over the course of the following couple of years, particularly when you consider that it developed by over 3,600% over the most recent year. It is likewise practical in light of the fact that, at its ongoing complete stockpile of 395 billion Avax tokens, for every symbolic valuation of $1,000 would develop its market cap to around $395 billion. This is sufficient to make it a main 3-digital currency. Truly, they are certain that Avalanche has all that it needs to support an upturn. They are even sure that Avalanche's fame and local area backing will keep ascending over the course of the following couple of years, however they likewise see its hazardous most extreme symbolic stockpile of 720 million coins as far as possible to its excursion towards $1,000. Their examination will just reach out to 2025 and, surprisingly, then, at that point, they anticipate that Avax should exchange around $250. Crypto masters are a bit more hopeful about Avalanche's future cost presentation. They contend that as Avalanche dispatches more redesigns, goes into additional essential organizations, and as it develops its local area, the interest and cost of Avax tokens will ascend at a moderate speed to reach $800 by 2025. The all-famous specialized investigation stage is similarly hopeful about Avalanche's future cost activity. Their examination proposes that it will bounce back and resume the 2021 upswing, however at a moderate speed that sees Avax value by over 950% in the following 5 years to reach $855. The most hopeful view about Avalanche's cost activity over the course of the following couple of years is given. The specialized experts are likewise among the rare sorts of people who accept that Avax could reach $1,000 by August 2024 and move as high as $2,760 in the following 5 years. What will Avalanche Avax be worth in 10 years? It is exceptionally difficult to pinpoint with most extreme precision what Avax will be worth in the following 10 years. Yet, obviously everybody in the crypto local area anticipates that it should be worth much more than its ongoing cost, with most estimates setting its cost by the turn of the 10 years at somewhere in the range of $3,000 and $5,000. Crypto specialists contend that as Avalanche dispatches more creative instruments for the blockchain and goes into additional coordinated efforts, its worth will rise. In their examination, they anticipate that Avax should bounce back inside the following a year, coming to $1,000 by 2028 and at last top $3,800 by December 2031. Specialized experts have a much more hopeful perspective on Avalanche's cost activity throughout the following 10 years. They accept the bear opinions will subside soon, permitting Avax to transcend the ongoing ATH by December 2022. A moderate value gain will then guarantee and take Avax above $1,000 in the following 5 years prior to building up speed and pushing it above $4,500 in the following 10 years. The generally bullish is significantly more hopeful about Avalanche's future cost execution. It focuses to a fast bounce back that they accept will push Avax costs over its ongoing ATH by February 2022, assist it with coming to $1,000 by February 2025, and assist it with crossing above $4,600 by December 2030. Is Avalanche Avax a good long-term investment? Indeed, Avalanche is a decent long-haul speculation in light of the fact that its cost is supposed to keep rising, hauling up your capital venture over the course of the following couple of years. As a matter of fact, most examiners accept it has one of the most encouraging potential gain possibilities of the main 20 digital currencies.